How to increase maximum volume on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to increase your iPhone's volume to its maximum, then firstly, simply press the volume up button in order to increase the volume to its fullest. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Sounds and Haptics option there. Further, go ahead and slide the ringer and alert slider to its fullest and also toggle on the toggle button for change with buttons. Next, in Sound and Haptic settings itself, scroll down and you will see the option for headphone safety. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for reduce loud audio. Next, in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps and then tap on the music option. Here, tap on EQ and then go ahead and select late night or loudness option you see there for the fullest volume for your iPhone. Also, if you have enabled Bluetooth, then it might be connected to your Bluetooth device sometimes. So simply tap on Bluetooth and toggle Bluetooth off for the time being. Next, make sure that your speakers are clean in order to get the full volume. And if not, then you can try to clean it with the soft toothbrush and clean the grills off your speaker. And make sure not to use any sharp objects or metal objects. Next, in settings again, tap on accessibility and then tap on audio and visual. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for mono audio and this will clear stereo sound and loud and clear sound. If your issue is still not fixed, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone as a simple restart fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, which also includes sound bugs. So these were a few ways on how you can increase your iPhone volume to its maximum volume. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.